Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade stocks on Fidelity. Fidelity is a well-established online brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products and services. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity account, which can be done online or by phone. Once your account is open and funded, you can begin trading stocks. First, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the trading platform. From here, you can search for the stock you want to trade by entering the ticker symbol or company name. For example, if you want to trade Apple stock, you would enter AAPL. Next, review the stock quote and chart to get an idea of the current market price and trends. You can also view news and research reports to help inform your investment decisions. When you are ready to place a trade, select the buy or sell option and enter the number of shares you want to trade. You will also need to choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will only execute at the price you specify. For example, if you want to buy 10 shares of Apple stock at $100 per share, you would place a limit order to buy at $100. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review your order carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm and submit your order. Fidelity will execute your trade and provide you with a confirmation, including the trade details and any applicable fees. It is also important to understand the different types of trading accounts available on Fidelity, such as cash accounts, margin accounts, and retirement accounts. Each type of account has its own rules and requirements, so be sure to understand the terms and conditions before trading. In addition to trading individual stocks, Fidelity also offers a range of other investment products, including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and options. These products can provide diversification and help you achieve your investment goals. To get the most out of your Fidelity account, it is essential to stay informed and up to date on market news and trends. Fidelity offers a range of educational resources, including webinars, videos, and articles, to help you improve your investment knowledge and skills. By following these steps and using the resources available on Fidelity, you can trade stocks with confidence and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk to ensure successful trading on Fidelity.